Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Sharmin Shuma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some important shade of Gopinath Pancake makeup which are commonly used in parlor. I know what you are thinking, how I know that which shade. I know because we have a small parlor. So if you have this makeup shade, then you can do makeup to any skin tone type of people. And also I'm going to show you how you can mix match this shade and get your desired skin tone color makeup. I already did this video in Bangla language. After that, so many people, mostly my international viewers, asked me to do it in English. So here I am. Today I am doing this video for you in English language. And if you are interested to see the Bengali language video of this makeup shade, then I will give the link of that video in my description box and also the first comment of this video. Please check it out. Okay, now let's start today's video. Welcome back. As I told you at the beginning of this video that today I am going to show you some important shade of Gopinath Pancake. So let's start it. Before showing the pancake shades, let's see the packaging of this Gopinath Pancake and what is written on it. So at the top of this packet you can see the pancake makeup name. It's the Gopinath Pancake makeup. And here is the pancake number 21. You can also see the manufacturing and expired date. This product is made in India. India always give the manufacturing date. Manufacturing date means when that product was made. And in expired date they wrote 3 years from the manufacturing date. After 3 years you cannot use this product anymore. Gopinath Pancake is not a waterproof makeup. Also in this package they have their address. It's made in India, Kolkata. Also they give their website address and the customer care number. I will give the website address and the customer care number in my description box so that you can easily check it out, and my Indian viewers who live in India, they can easily buy it. Okay, now I'm going to show you the pancake shades. So first I'm going to show number 21 pancake. I'm opening it up. Let's see how it looks inside. Oh, let me introduce. This is my cat, baby cat. Her name is Shundri. It's mean beautiful. Okay, this is the pancake, and they also give you a sponge, but you cannot use this sponge to apply this pancake. You have to buy new sponge to apply it. And this is the sticker. If you have this sticker, it means this pancake is original. This sticker is must have. You when you buy it, make sure you have this sticker on this pancake makeup. See the color. 21 is for the most whitest skin tone people. It is the lightest shade in this Gopinath Pancake makeup. It's for fair person. So who have so fair skin, it's for them. 21. From the back you also see the number 21 written in it. Now next I'm going to show 25 number pancake. This is the 25 number pancake. 25 number pancake is the most running color pancake. This is the sticker. This sticker is little bit different because it's the new packaging. And see the color. 25 is most running color because This skin tone people is most in BD in Bangladesh and India too. So this shade used so much in parlor. Let's see 21 and 25 side by side. Right one is 25 and the left one is 21. See the difference. 25 number is for medium white people. It's my skin tone color. I use 25. But sometime in a night party, it seems that 25 look a little bit darker on my skin. Then I use 21. I mix 21 with the 25 and use it. I'm showing this pancake on normal light. See how it's look. Now I'm going to use extra light and show you how this shade looks on extra light. This is how it's looking. This is 21 and this is 25. Let's see the back of this pancake makeup. They look different because the right one is the new packaging. 25 number is the new packaging. That's why it's looking different from this left one. So those person who said that 25 look a little bit darker on their skin tone, I will suggest them to use 21. Mix 21 little bit with the 25 and then use it. Then it will look perfect on your skin tone. And the person who think that 21 look little bit whitish on their skin, then mix 25 with 21 and use it. This pancake will give you a pinkish look, but if you like yellow tone color, then you have to use yellow pancake with this pancake. Now I'm going to show you the yellow pancake. This yellow pancake have no number. They have only one shade and it's written yellow only. Look at the inside. I'm opening it. This is the color. It's a beautiful soft color yellow tone. If you used or see the cosmic yellow color pancake is so pigmented yellow, but this yellow color pancake is beautiful soft color. I use these three color for my skin tone. The next shade I'm going to show you is 28. 28 is for dark skin tone people. It's looking a little bit messy because it's used in our parlor. I took it from parlor to show you the shade. This is the 28 for dark skin tone people. 28 is the darkest shade of Gopinath Pancake. But if 28 looks whitish on your skin tone, then what you have to do there? Then you have to use another pancake. Its name is dark. Here is this pancake. You can see it's written dark, dark. Actually, this pancake is for contouring your face. But if 28 looks whitish on your skin tone, then you can use this pancake. Take a small amount from this dark shade and then mix it with 28. Mix these two and use it if 28 look whitish on your skin tone. Here we are using that dark contouring pancake to get our desired skin tone because 28 is the last darkest shade of Gopinath Pancake. And if 28 look darker, if 28 looks little bit darker on your skin tone, then what you can do? Then you can use 25 with 28. Took little amount from 25 and mixed it with 28. If 28 look darker on your skin tone. Also you can add yellow color pancake if you want yellowish tone on your skin. So this three is for darker skin tone people. But if your skin tone is more dark, that means extra dark people, then you have to use these two. Don't use yellow. I suggest if you are too dark skin tone, then don't use yellow. It's not look good if we dark people use yellow color pancake. But if you have medium dark skin tone color, then you can use these three pancake, 28, 25, and also yellow color pancake if you like yellowish tone. So that's it. This is the color, this is the shade you must have if you want to do any type of skin tone color people. And also I think you get the knowledge how you can mix match this pancake and use for your own skin tone. So this is the end of my today's video. I will do another video very soon with all the shade of Gopinath pancake makeup. And if you like to know how to use this pancake makeup, then you can see my video. There are lots of video on this pancake makeup in Bangla language and also English language. I will give the link on my description box and also the first comment of this video. And also you can see this video right now by clicking this eyeball right hand corner now showing on the screen. Click that and see this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.